Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to convert PDF to Word file. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. To convert a PDF file into a Word document, open Microsoft Word. Locate the PDF file. Click Open. And the Word document will be converted into an editable Word document. Click OK to convert PDF file into Word document. Then save by clicking File. Then Save As and selecting the desired location. Enter the file name. Select Word document, enter Save As type, and click Save. Open the converted Word file on your desktop. Now, you finally have a converted Word file. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.